మార్నింగ్ గైస్. నేను మీ రంజన్ కుమార్. సో మనం ఈరోజు డే 11లో ఉన్నామండి. డో డే 11లో ఎస్టర్డే మనం ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది డే క్లోజింగ్ అయ్యేటప్పటికి $244తో అయితే క్లోజ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, సో మనము ఈరోజు జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాము. నిన్నైతే ఇనిషియల్గా మనము లాస్ అయితే అవ్వడం జరిగింది. దాని తర్వాత మనము రికవరీ చేసాము. సో నాట్ బిగ్, ఇట్స్ బట్ స్టిల్ లాస్. ఓకే, సో సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ 50% ఆఫ్ ద లాస్ అయితే మనము కవర్ చేయడం జరిగింది ఎస్టర్డే. ఓకే, హాయ్ సుజన్, హాయ్ చాక్లెట్ బాయ్. సో ఎస్టర్డే ఈజ్ మార్కెట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వరస్ట్ యార్. Then night, yesterday night, I recovered couple of the things. Okay, uh, couple of trades I recovered, and but still, end of the day, it's loss only. Okay, end of the day, it is loss only. Initially, morning session, right, it was $43 loss. So slowly, I recovered something. Then it came to close around $244. And today morning, I tried one trade with $5, and it came around 9.6. Okay, we'll see. Guys, loss is common. Okay, we cannot expect a daily in profits, so we need to accept the losses. Otherwise, right, we cannot. So if we are not able to accept the loss, right, so your mind will change automatically. So mind will say that go and recover, go and recover. So that is not the good practice. Explain moving average signals, that five moving average, right, that will work out only real pairs. Okay. See here, this is the sellers area, buyers weak, small sellers, and after that again buyers weak, selling came. If this is closed green, right, we can expect one more red candle also here up to this week. If it is closed green, then only. Oh, this is weak sellers. After see, buyers are closed means buyers weak, then we can go down. But here sellers closed, and that too there is a upside wick is there. So if upside wick means buying pressure is there in this candle. So if it is closed red, right, we cannot go with continuation. That is the danger. So we need either strong party or weaker party. See this? Why the market is pushing up? Because of end of the day sellers win, but those sellers are weak. That's why market is buyers had entered into the market. I can see here there is a trend line concept is going on. We'll see how this candle is reacted after seeing these kind of big bars, right? So we cannot go with immediately buying here. Okay, we need to wait for the either sellers weak or buyers entered, then only we can go into the market. If you see here what kind of candle it is forming, if it is sellers weak candle, then next candle I'll try to go upside trade. We'll see what is going on in 5 minutes. 5 minutes it's the closing candle. Downside buyers completely weak, again seller push down. Okay, where it is going to close. Okay, so it is not strong buying, it is not strong buying, we need to wait for weak sellers again. Yeah, for example, if this candle is closed red candle, right, then I'm planning to go upside trade here. uh, so what can know from this moving signal? I didn't get moving signal means moving average. Moving average here it will not work out. Yeah, this is only for the momentum identification. That's it. I'm planning to go upside here. Little bit margin if we got it. 50% of the levels. We'll see. So total I entered 2% of the investment. Market is in uptrend. Okay, market is in uptrend. These two are good healthy candles. After that, small red candle that is also weaker, and there is a pushing also happen. That's why I entered that upside trade here. I'm expecting buyers should continue. So in OTC market, right, momentum, see, moving average, I will use only to identify the momentum. That's it. Which side the market is moving. So the other than that, I'm not going to trade anything in the moving average level. But the only one, so this moving average, I will use in real market. Real market, there is a 5 minutes, sorry, 5 SMA concept. The setup, it is very good. Okay. So next we'll see 69%. Breakout. Do we have any left side levels? Yes, there is a order block here. Okay, so there is a order block over there. So market will try to take the reverse from here. So usually second candle is my the first target, right? It is already reached the target, and it is again okay. Sellers are pushing down. Good. First target reached. If I got margin entry, I'll go downside trade here. If I got margin entry, I'll go downside trade. There is a gap here. If this candle closes above this gap, okay, I will look for upside trade. So this is a range, guys. In 5 minutes, market is traded with the range. After that, the breakout came. So after breakout came, it gave very aggressive movement, but there is a strong resistance here. It means previous swing, okay, resistance. That's why market took the support, means resistance over there, and it is coming down. If it is came down, right, there is a high chances to reverse this area. So if you see after touching this area, if you see any rejection or any weakness, right, then we'll try to go. But here there is a gap, right? Market came to fill this gap. Okay, it's already filled this gap. And if you see any uh, uh, sellers weak, then I'm planning to try for upside trade. So this is the order block. Okay, this is the order block. Margin entry, I'll go upside. Margin entry, I'll go upside. Actually, this candle is green. Last second it came sudden down. So sudden party, I cannot go. Sudden party, I'll go with the opposite party only. Arey Baba, it's not giving chance, yaar. The last second only the candle closed red. That is the sudden party. Sudden party is a trap. Okay, we need to go with the opposite only. So you want me to explain that order block? One second. No, big wick. Okay. So if you see here, market previously created some consolidated area, correct? And if we convert into this 5 minutes, you got to know that there is a order lock. So market aggressively came here and completely buyers are gone. Completely buyers are gone and trend is changed. Okay, so which candle before going to the change right direction, the color, opposite color, okay, that candle is considered as a order block. But in this case, this is also doji, this is also small candle. So I consider these two candles area, these two candles area, right, these candles area I consider as a strong resistance as a order block. Percentage less here also. We'll get to know that clearly in 5 minutes whether it is a strong area or not. Okay, there is a zone of strong area here. Strong area in the nothing but what are the area most of the candle try to took the rejection over there. So this is the area. Okay, we can expect this area is going to behave as a strong resistance. If it is closed green and I got margin entry around here, then I'll try to go downside because after seeing this kind of inverted hammer, right? So a lot of people will go upside to cover this wick, okay, to cover this wick. So market also will show the strength with that direction. If I got the margin entry around this wick level, then I am planning to go downside trade. So instead of that multiple trades, right, I'm planning to take it the only quality trades today. This is my target. Target done. See that long shadow. Long shadow means long wick. It's almost equal to the body size. So this is a weakness. Market is in uptrend. Only two red candles in last 5 to 10 candles. Right. So this is, and that too it is not a strong candle. If it is a strong candle, market will continue down. But it is a weaker candle. Big shadow. It is a weaker candle. Lot of people will go upside here. They lost the trade and they went for MTG. I'm expecting up to here. If it is closed green with a small body, then I'll go downside. Yes, 5 minutes order block is very strong. No, yeah, this is also weaker. Buying pressure is there. See this. This is sellers weak. Again, buyers are entered very strong. Okay, here also we have buyers enter. Buyers are entered very strong, and this is seller's weak candle. If it is closed below this one, right, then it is a strong one. But it is closed within this candle means so only sellers strict with this area only. So until market breakout this low, it not show any strong. Okay, if it is this candle low breaks, then strongness will come. But if it is not break, this is a weak only. Yeah, now it is breaks. Okay, if I got margin entry, I'll try to go downside at least here, this area, or touching the moving average. Okay, we'll see. I took only 1% only because I'm not confident that much. See this counter attack. Okay, so this is the seller's area. So for safer side, I for protection of my previous trade, I have added it upside here. There is a strong rejection. Lot of wicks or means common area of this one. Okay, if market try to close green candle, right, there is a high chances closed below this red candle wick only. That's why I have added over there one more trade. So trade protection instead of losing the one, right, so added the trade protection. But here I went for downside trade. I'm expecting red candle here. We'll see. I'm expecting sellers. Oh, 5 minute sellers are very weak here in this candle, but already rejection area. Come on, no movement downside. No movement. Ah, slightly. Doji yaar. Doji little bit gap up. I think 1 or 2 points I lost the trade. 22 difference. Maybe I placed around here. 69, 66.97, 66.97 means I placed here. I placed here and it is closed here. Margin entry now it will be win, but okay. Strong sellers. Why it is went up means after strong sellers, right? This is the strong area. Okay. Almost four candles not able to create the fresh candle low and it went up. We'll see any other script. target is above. Okay, target is above. This is the zone. Okay, if market is planning to go right, so the target will be this sideways and high breakout, consolidated level, high breakout, fresh high created, and again market is going aggressively. So it came to very near to the target, and candle strength also very good. That's why I went for upside trade here. We'll see. It is came to very near to the target. So once touches the target, then only market can reverse. After strong selling candle. Okay, here right, this is a strong selling candle, which is fine. But here right, market is created like as a piercing line, right? The strong buyer attack, and it is closed below only very small margin, and that too there is a strong area here. So there is a high chances to reject this level. Arey Baba, what happened? Why it is red? Why I lost the trade, yaar? Shit, man. Maybe wrong entry. It is closed green, but I lost the trade, yaar. Shit. 1 point, yaar. 1 point. It should be win trade only. 1 point only. 1 point. But it is closed green only. See that? Open is 22, closing is 28. Okay. This is the problem with the OTCR. Okay. Finally win. Not a problem. Okay. So here, coming to here. Okay. So this is the strong area. Okay. So, and there is a chances of strong area means target. Okay. Touches the target and reverse. And that too market is in uptrend. Okay, market is in uptrend. These are all are weaker red candles, all weak. There is no strong. Only one red candle strong means there is exhaustion. In uptrend market there is a big candle, if you see, that is exhaustion. Okay, that's why there is a chances of getting the buyers. Here this is also weak candle, and this is also weak candle within the close. Okay, that's why buyer party is entered. Moving average level rejecting. Okay, even stochastic also it will show the momentum, guys. So which side market is looking, it will show. Okay, look like it is already went to the overbought. Okay, overbought, and green line is already crossed down to the red line. It means so uptrend momentum is gone. Okay, uptrend momentum is gone. Uptrend momentum is gone. In that case our next target will be here. So 5 minutes right, market went to the overbought area, but in 1 minute it came to oversold area. If this candle is closed below point 0.5, I'll go downside trade. I'll go downside trade with the target of this line. I will enter one here. If it gave any margin entry, I'll go for another trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arey, shit, man. I added around to here, yeah. It came to moving average. I pressed the button and it came, sudden move came and it placed another downside trade. We'll see. But the negative thing is there is no wick. That is the only one negative here in this candle. Lost trade. Closed exact point 0.5. Exact point 0.5. All candles are closing at the same levels. Today only $2.86 only profit. We'll try to check is there any other script is looks good. Okay, how strong it is breakout. Nice. This is break of structure. Okay, this high ride it will all act as a boss break of structure. Exact closed at the same point, so it will be negative. It is negative. I'm expecting downside trade here. At least this candle need to come to the 50% of the green body. 50% of the green body. This is the fake breakout and it came down. Okay, within the wick level only it is created one good healthy green candle. Arey baba, shit yaar. This is weaker only again. Okay, zone. If this candle is closed green, right, I will try to go downside trade here. I saw some one concept. This is the consolidated area. This is the strong, okay, support become resistance. Okay, here resistance created. If you see the candle is closed green, then it will be very good for downside trade. Because after seeing the good healthy candles, right, so in all OTC market, the weaker candles will come. We'll see. I'm expecting down candle only. That is a weak buyers and it's giving that counter candle and market is in downtrend. So every parameter is good for me. So I'm thinking that this candle means this trade will be 99% win will come because of all aspects are very good. So market is in downtrend. It took that in 1 minute there is a level. So already retest is happen. Arey Baba, what is going on here? Big buyers, but again it is going market opposite direction. Even it is closed low also. Today also market is not following the levels, yeah. Complete downtrend market, yeah. Complete downtrend market. It gave the retracement. Low also breakout after weak buyers. See that how market is behaving. Weak buyers, guys. This is the two candles are very good candles. The only negative here, there is no lower weak. It means okay, buyer expected only. Buyer expected, that is weak buyers not able to cross the 50%. Suddenly even low also breakout. After low breakout also again buyers enter. And even if it is a strong buying candle, why the sellers are coming now? Complete trap markets, guys. So I think I'm in loss of $9. I'll try to take one more trade. If lost right, I'll stop it. Otherwise, it will create the big losses. See now. It is closed below 50% of the red green candle, right? There is a chances as per the price action and all, right? So this candle need to create the red candle. We'll see what happen. But market is not following that kind of concepts, price actions and movements. Don't know whether the Quotex is changed the algorithm or not. There is a high probability here red candle need to come. We'll see what happen. See this? It's difficult, guys. It's difficult. See, the lending knowledge people, right? Knowledge people will go based on the price action and buyers and sellers. See, it is closed below 50% of the body. Why the buyers are coming here? So complete trap markets going on. So as per the price action, means a candle, 5 minutes candle concept, right? I'm expecting the 5 minutes candle should be in closed in green. Okay, that's why I went for upside trade. 5 minutes candle need to create some good healthy candle. That is the reason. Okay, the previous 5 minutes candle, right? I will draw the range of the previous 5 minutes candle. This is the high and this is the low. Okay, this is the 5 minutes candle range. Okay, so and that two date range. Okay, if I draw this up to here, so I'm expecting at least the 5 minutes candle need to come to this area. If this lost, right, I'll stop it, guys. We cannot go against the market. Okay, if you are planning to go with the revenge the market, it will eat entire our money. We'll see. My target will be here. My target will be here. If this win, right, again we came back to the green. They started with $244. If this win, right, these two trades will return our 9 point something $9.3. Then we came back to 45, means again we came back to the green. But my target as per 5 minutes analysis, right, the candle need to give the green candle here. Stop now, if you have time, just discuss. Yes, bro. Yes, tell me. Just we learn, just discuss. Mhm. Okay, this is also win. High is 23. Opening is opening within between, but closing is 31. This will also will go to green, yeah. Again back to profits now. Just only $1.74 only. Here, if I got the margin entry, guys, I will go upside trade. If I got margin entry, okay, I'll go upside trade. I need some little bit margin, or it came candle came to down near to this opening. That is also fine. Target reached. Yeah, last covered, guys. Last covered, but today came to $1.7 profit. So we cannot go with the yesterday loss recovery mode. No, today our target is 10%. Yesterday loss is gone. So leave it. We cannot look for that recovery. So we can look for today's target is 10% is our target. Yes. If this red candle closes above this green body closing, okay? It means within this green body. It has to close low of this, means opening of this green body, then it will be good. I am planning to go upside trade. If it is closed below, no, we cannot go. Look like as a engulfing. Okay, engulfing we cannot go. Engulfing is the reversal pattern. Okay, this is breakout. After strong selling, right, strong buying, and that to breakout. Okay, if you see, this is initially sellers came and buyers are pushed. It means buyers are weak. Buyers are weak. Selling candle is coming. A small red body and closed. So I will try for upside trade with margin entry. Small red body. I need some margin entry. Margin entry required here. Margin entry required. Not giving, yeah. If you are looking for margin entry, it is not giving, and candle is going and closing as per our analysis. If you uh, added at the opening, right, it is going the counter candles, and it is placing wrong entries, and it is closing dojis, and our losing the trades. As of now, still buyers are weak. If this candle closes this red candle high above, then it will be very good. Otherwise, it's weak. Weak only. It is closed within this candle. It's weak. We'll see what is going on in 5 minutes. Weak candle, guys. That's why I have added downside trade. There is no strong here. Weak candle. Market is quite opposite. It is going here. Weak party, then going with same direction. Strong party, opposite it is going. Come on, come down. There is a weak party. Come down. Shut yaar. No yaar. Again 3 point something dollars negative. Rejected last time. This is the target. Yes, touch the target. See that after immediate touching, buying pressure is came. That's why I'm always saying that previous swing, second candle is our first target. Still this party is this means this area is still pending, guys. Okay, and the two market is following the W pattern. It is completed. Okay, margin entry. I'll try to go upside trade. Margin entry. Come down, come down. Because of right, this is a wick created, big wick created. Market planning to come to cover that wick. Okay, if it is came 30 seconds, yeah, it came to that level. I added this my first target level. Last time market very strongly rejected the same level. I added trade again. We'll see. So OTC market reading, guys, from yesterday onwards, it is very difficult. I don't know what is happen. Quotex is changed the algorithm concept or not. Maybe they, usually there are weekends, right? Weekends, midnights, right? They will change the algo. Okay. And last complete week, right? It is going with a strong party. So like that. See this. So this is the strong area. Okay. That's why I have added the safety margin. That is the reason it win. Otherwise, we lose the trade. Here, as per the concept, right, usually the market is closed at the same levels. So here, people will expect the green candle. We'll see what happen. If any script is following proper levels and all right, then we can pick that only one script. We can trade only that script. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles. If market came to this weak level, I'm planning to go for shorting, short opportunity. Means sell side. Mark, Market is completely squeezing mode. It is not going to any direction with the aggressive mode. Green candle, right? There is a chances of red candle will come. But safety margin is very important, guys, these kind of markets. 74%. Shit, man. Okay, this is breakout. So next one will be 5 minutes candle low is the support. Okay, 5 minutes candle low also came. Ascending triangle. The only one reason why I have added means this candle closed, this red candle closed within the low of green candle. Okay, so within the low of green candle, even if it is a good healthy red candle also, that is the only one reason I have added here. So if party is strong, it has to closed below this green candle low. It is closed within this green candle low. That's why I have added. We'll see. Market is not following. Yeah. Hmm. Initially it went green and sudden fall. No, yeah, I'll stop it now here. Market is not good. After real pairs came to the percentages high, then I'll try to trade. So real pairs prices will high after 12. After 12, automatically Euro JPY. So these things will come to 80%. So after Europe market enter, these trades, I mean these scripts will go to 80 and 90. So OTC markets nowadays, right? It's difficult to understand that. So we need to spend time in the OTC market, how it is behaving, and we need to understand that market moves. Then only we can trade in the OTC. Already $6.46 loss. Doji and continuation. Okay. Buyer strong, sellers area, and weak buying, weak buying, weak buying. From where it is coming buying again? Again weak. If this candle going aggressively and touches this at this area, I'm planning to go on short. The last trade, no. We'll see my favorite script, BRL. Arey Baba, big wicks are there. High volatility. Okay. Market is downtrend. Downtrend and rejection here. Weak party. Weak party. Last trade. I'm expecting counter candle will come here. We'll see. Shit, man. Levels are not following. Okay. This is a support area, guys. This is support area. See that weak selling, strong selling came. So that is exhaustion. After weak selling, strong sellers came. That is exhaustion. Okay. It is not closed Maraboju. There is a small wick also there. The only one thing is strong area, and after weak sellers, strong selling came. That is exhaustion. Exhaustion candle created, right? Opposite party will come to the market. This is my favorite script, BRL. And my most of the trades will be in BRL, BDT, NZDJPY, INR. These four scripts mostly I will trade. I'm expecting red candle here. That's why I have added. We'll see what happen. But it went very big candle. Come on, come down fast. Arey Baba. Very big candle. Okay, safer side. So why I have added right here, okay, downside. Okay, if you see these wicks, right, these wicks and this body, okay, this is the seller's area. Okay, this candle is closed below the seller's area and gap down also created. That's why I have added downside trade. But it went up and it came to the zone. This is again the party here. Gap is there, right? Gap also act as a strong support and resistance. There I placed my safety trade, protect my trade. So one win means two wins and two loss. This is sellers area. Come on, sellers. Yes. Okay. Again back to green. This is closed with low. Closed with low is danger. I'm expecting if candle close red also, it has to close above this zone only. That's why market came aggressively this zone. Then I have added counter trade. means opposite trade of the candle. We'll see. Arey Baba, shut man. Strong area, strong rejection area. This is also closed with low. Closed Morbozu this one. This is exactly big wick is there. This is a closed Morbozu. High chances of reversal. But if you see like this, look like there is a head and shoulder formation. Okay, this is the neckline. Neckline is not taking the support right. What we can do as per the price action, it is not following. It's a big red candle in 5 minutes. Went here and it came down. Okay, guys, market is not one trade win, one trade loss, and it's creating the losses. So this is not good market. I'll try to come to online after real pairs are come to high percentage. Then I'll share few of the trades in our group. Okay, okay, guys, thanks for joining.